I gotta heat them up.
Eat!
Oh, what in the world was that? Did you see that? I'm gonna burn this house down. Oh, this is plastic. Okay, don't tell anybody I did that. Well, cupcake. Found a box. So you know what just dawned on me? We have something in Austin called Blue Santa. And Blue Santa is a charity the police officers of Austin get together and they collect presents, unopened presents. I have so many things here that we have not opened that we were doing for toy time. Since we've changed things, I have so many things that we can donate for older kids, for younger kids. Why don't I go ahead and put these aside? Those are gonna be great presents. Okay, so I'll put these aside for Blue Santa. And we'll see if we can visit them at some point. See, there it is. The mission of Austin Police Operation Blue Santa is to provide toys and food for families in need during the holiday season. Love it. Oh, check that out. The warehouse is almost ready. We could really use toys for the age of 11 to 14. We have several of those to give. That's awesome. It just never fails. Look at him. He's let me just pet his belly. Oh my goodness. You are the softest, purriest cat. Can you hear him? Hey, what is that? It's okay, I got you really under control. Look at that. His little legs. This is my work cat. Our car's all packed up. Let's take it. Operation Blue Santa. I am here. It is a warehouse. Let me go drop this stuff off. All right. She said to pull on into the ramp and back it up. And that's what we gonna do. I didn't hit any cars. I'm not the best driver. Last time I backed up, I hit a tree. I got this. Okay, let's go say hello. So we're gonna load that up. How many more days do we have?
You can drop off presents at any firehouse in the Austin limits up until Thursday the 20th.
That's fantastic. Okay, we are all done. And now, I'm gonna go get some soup because I feel sick. Sunglasses. Ugh. You know what? I actually need to pull over. I heard about this pho place. It's really good. It's around here somewhere, and I want to go eat there. It's called Pho With Us. I'm going. Why is it looking closed? Man, is it closed? It's closed on Tuesday. My throat, it needs some pho. I'm gonna go to Old Faithful.
Day 17, you'll go.
Has it really been 17 days?
No, but it feels like it. Look, I've set a trap. And
Okay.
I just caught one of the cronies. Waiting for his little buddy to join him.
Okay. Does he have one chromie left?
Yeah, at a 38 finish.
Harry Potter! Did you see him?
I'm never gonna get Harry Potter.
Oh my
He's
gosh,
smarter than
Harry,
me.
Harry, you need to come out and go into the hospital tank. Trust us.
Get in the cage, Harry.
We're also sick because our son,
Patient 0.
he is patient 0. He's pretty good about putting his cough in his arm, except he had a joke the other day that he didn't do it, and we got sick. Okay, so the Barfies are still here. Are the Barfies immune?
I'm beginning to think so, man. They are happy and healthy and eating. There are 7 fish left out of like 38. There's
Wow.
7 left. Maybe 6.
Wow.
Harry Potter.
Okay.
1 chromies. 1 yellow wrasse. 2 diamond gobies. 5 fish left. About to be 4 because I know this. Look at it. He can't resist.
He can't resist, he's hungry. Well, at least he's eating. Let me go check on the sick fish. So we have some good news. Zaza is actually getting better. You can look, when we last showed her, she had purple all around her beak. She doesn't have purple anymore, although Daddy calls her a he. I think it's a she. Look at her. She's not panting as bad as she was. She actually has gotten better. There's no purple. That's insane. Okay, so Marshall is still in here. Marshall is hiding inside there, the firefish. Look at Zaza. I'm just so insanely proud of Zaza. All right, that chromie, the blue crew. We only have 2 of the blue crew left. He's panting pretty hard. Oops, too close. Okay, hang in there, blue crew. And then let's go check on our healthy fish. Let's see, these guys got in there at 11:29. There is Hope. Hope's doing good. Papa's 2.0. We need to have a new name for him. Where is Puffy 2.0? Puffy 2.0? Oh no. Oh, hey, there's Dory 2.0. Let me start calling them Shmori and Shmuffy. Hey, there he is. He's beautiful. I was really surprised when I saw him come through. Look at how beautiful this puffer is. You're so beautiful. I can't wait till we have a good name for you. You do look different than Puffy. There will never be another Puffy. Oh my gosh, I love this fish. Please don't eat any coral. Okay, so we're looking good so far. Update, there's a new store happening on Izzy's Game Time. We were randomly chosen, we opted in for their store that'll happen right under the videos. So that'll be interesting. We just put a whole bunch of stuff up, lots of shirts. We've been asked about these hoodies. So we put some kids hoodies, adult hoodies up. Let us know what you think of these. We haven't ordered them yet ourselves. We are going to test out the product. I'm gonna order them today. Cooking with Sick Strider. Today I found a recipe for sick folks. So I've had this before. It's like a shot of it. 2 lemons, some ginger, and some cayenne. The problem is I don't have any fresh ginger, but look. Nope, that's garlic. Look, I have this ginger. That's like the best thing ever. So 1 teaspoon, what, 1 2-inch piece? What's that like? That's like 3 pods. I'm gonna 3-pod this. 2 lemons. Cut, juice.
Juicy.
Oh yes, lots of lemon. I don't know about these. Okay, I'm only gonna do 2 of them. I gotta heat them up. Oh, what in the world was that? Did you see that? I'm gonna burn this house down. Oh, this is plastic. Okay, don't tell anybody I did that. Especially not my husband. He'll never let me cook again. Add the ginger. Cayenne. There you are. 1/4 of a teaspoon, and that's gonna burn. Woo, that's gonna burn. Stir with teeny weeny spoon. Why is this spoon so small? Split it into teeny weeny cups. Oh, this is gonna be painful. Oh, we need a chaser. Coconut pieces. We are off our diet. We did not make it. I will say this, we're not going back to our donut ways yet. Oh dear. Oh babe.
Why does it look like
You
that?
can take that one. Listen, wait, there's chasers over here.
Why does it need a chaser? Why does it need a chaser?
Babe, here's yours. Okay, here are your pieces. We do this together.
What is this?
It's coconut. Oh.
Oh! Ow! Why is it so hot?
Cayenne. It's the spice of life. Man, this stuff's supposed to be good. No, drink it. Where are you going?
I'm gonna put it in the sink. Why do my lips hurt?
Because it's cayenne, babe.
How much cayenne did you put in there?
A 4th teaspoon.
Too much cayenne, babe. I ain't drinking it.
You need to. This is what he does. Did you take any medicine? No. Did you take anything to make you feel better? No.
So this coconut is even bad. Even the chaser is bad.
The dragon's breath? This is what you gave me? Lemon ginger cayenne elixir? Breathe and feel the effects. Breathe again. Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I got a big piece of ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Piece of frozen ginger.
Nope. Yep. Nope. And why are these bananas so small?
I don't eat them. Did you eat one?
No, I'm scared of them. Why are they so little? Babe, that wasn't me. That wasn't me.
No, look, I'm trying to ripen these.
Why did you buy those?
I did curbside, right? And so
Wow.
that's what they picked out.
That's what they picked out.
Gotta ripen them. Cooking with Strider. Well, she was grooming him. She's trying to groom him. He's like, I'm over this. Oh, look at that. She's like, hold still. I'm trying to groom you. Hey, Mr. Fluff Fluff, she's trying to groom you. Marcy, you're not grooming anymore. Now you're just plain biting him. Marcy. Usually one of them meows and that's whenever one's gone too far. It's usually Mr. Fluff Fluff that's gone too far. And Cupcake's just chilling in the background, cleaning his butt, because that's what he does. Okay, time for me to intervene. Belly. Oh, I get some belly. Well, it was getting real. Marcy's ears are going back. Oh, see when her ears go back? She's like, that's when stuff gets real. Huh? Get it, Marcy.